everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to create one more video of my short playlist, problem statement playlist. And today the problem statement is like, what is the difference between unique and the distinct in a table? The second is, can we flag these unique and distinct values? Actually, it's nothing but in easy terms we can say, can we tag your duplicates using edit query? So let's get started for this. So I have a very small table called city, where we have different cities, Delhi, Mumbai, and Pune and Chennai. So let's see how what exactly I mean by this. So first I will go to the Power Query first, uh, edit query. Once I'm there, now if I'm there, if you see, if I go to my view tool and I just see the column distribution, it says that you have 4 distinct values and 2 unique values. So what exactly it means? So 4 distinct is like 4 different cities I have, and the 2 unique values, like if you see the Mumbai and Pune are actually occurring only once in a table, so there is no duplicate for that particular group for Pune and Chennai. So this is what the unique values are. Now let's say you want that how you can flag these particular cities in your table and you want to use as a column. So how we can do this in Power BI? So let's see how it can be achievable. So for this, I have to go to my this home and group by. If I go to group by, I have to go to advanced. So first it will just count rows. The second one is, let's say, all the cities, and I will do all rows here, and I have it. So Mumbai has 3, Pune has 1, and this kind of thing. Now I want to flag these things. So let's get add a custom column here. So in my custom column, I will say if let's say all my count insert, this is insert, uh, then 1, else 0. So if the count is only 1, sorry, if count is greater than 1, then it will be 1, else it will be 0. So let's add this thing. See, so if you see for Delhi and Mumbai, we have 1 1, and for other 0 0. But still, if you see, it's not into the table right now. So we want to add the table here for these things. So I will just go back and hit this city. If you see, now we have all the rows as an original table. So we have just merged it back to 3. Now we do not require these two. These are two redundant things actually for me. This is just nothing but the count of particular Delhi. If you want, you can keep it as per your use. But let's say I want to remove these two, remove columns. If I say, so this is my custom column. So Delhi is not my unique, but so I have a flag it up. So it's a Delhi has the duplicate values, Mumbai has the duplicate values, but Pune and the Chennai, they have the unique value. So this is how you can flag your duplicates actually in your table. And let's say if I hit close and apply, I will go here and it gets done. So if you see, we have these things and you can use it as per your requirement, as per your business needs. So this is all about my new short problem where we have checked what are the difference between unique and the distinct, and as well as how we can flag it up in your table by using the edit query. Hope you like this video. Follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.